Well, this is Monday, May 10th or 11th, something like that. I think it's the 11th. And I just arrived and got set up. I'm taking vacation this week to try to get some of this completed. Picked up 80 boards yesterday. That'll get me a little ways. The first thing I did this morning is I put on that board where the two plugins are. That alone, those two cuts really took me almost an hour to get those things cut out in place. It just was difficult to go in. So little things like that take up a lot of time. Anyway, that's what's going on for today. That's the progress so far. Not too bad. The shiplap lined up pretty good. On the opposite sides of the window, I was a little concerned about that, but what I did is I cut from the same board on either side of the window, so that way I wouldn't have to worry, because those boards are different. Some of those boards are wider than the others, or taller. For example, those two boards, the one on the left is actually about a 1/4 inch taller. So for that one, I had to lift it up to get it to be level on top of that. So when it came to making it line up across the top of the window, I just cut from the same board on this side and I used that same board on that side, and so I wouldn't have to worry about
anyway,
it so
I
much.
wanted to show a little progress. That's what I've been doing today. Not too bad.
Tuesday, May 12th. The kitchen area has been, somewhat completed. I still have the upper area. This what's going to be the fireplace, TV area. That's the rest of the living room. But anyway, so the kitchen area, and I started in the pantry today. So the pantry, pretty good sized room. I got that done. Now I'm out of lumber, so I have gone as far as I can go, but there she is for today. Supposed to get another shipment of lumber in tomorrow, and we'll see. Thursday, May 14th. Got a little bit more done. Yesterday was kind of a rough day because I had to wait on more material to get here, and it didn't get here until around noon. And then on top of that, it was just cold and miserable. So that's where I'm at right now, Thursday, May 14th. I'd like to be in here by July, but we will see. Okay, so this is the first time G has seen the work in the living room.
Wow, looks good. Looks good.
And this was unrehearsed. This was the first take.
Look at my pantry.
Well, G is happy with the work, and that's where I'm at on lumber supply. I'm currently down with tool issues. So yesterday I had to go buy a nail gun because the nail gun quit working. And today I had to go buy a new air compressor because the air compressor quit working. I can't complain. I got half the house done with a nail gun and an air compressor that was given to me by my father-in-law. Well, this is Friday, May 23rd, I think. I'm pretty sure. It's either the 22nd or the 23rd. Anyway, I just got a new load of lumber in yesterday, and I am working on finishing up the master bedroom, and I'm right now working on the towel closet inside the master bathroom. And I just wanted to show you
Let me go out here where there's a little better light. Obviously, you've seen in the past videos that that is shiplap going up, tongue and groove shiplap, and I got it in the 12-foot long boards from Lowe's. And it's a pretty economical way to put wall covering in your house, in my opinion. It's quality, it's solid, it's tough. You're not going to knock a hole in it by accident. You might gouge it, but you're not going to break a hole in it like you would drywall. Plus, that's what we wanted. We wanted solid wood in here, and my wife's going to paint it. So again, these are tongue and groove boards, 3/4 inches thick pine. Now I'm in the closet here in the master bathroom, and I've already cut these boards for the whole entire closet to length, and I'm just going to give you just a little shot on how they go in. So it's really simple. You just put them into place and slide them down and make sure the tongue is inserted into the groove, and the same thing on the other side, and then you staple the top, and that's about it. It's as simple as that. I know you can't see that very good, and I apologize, but that is basically it. And for a do-it-yourselfer like me, this is a good project. Just as long as you have good cutting skills, you know how to use a chop saw or miter saw, and you can cut straight lines, and you can measure appropriately. This is an easy project for a do-it-yourselfer. You have to make sure they're level. So I've got my spacers at the bottom. I didn't show you that. I have 3/4 inch spacers at the bottom, so every board starts out sitting on a spacer, and then it gets leveled as I go up. And that is basically it. And I'll show you an after shot when I get this bathroom done. I just realized that I hadn't shown a updated shot of the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Still have to put the final strip in at top, but this is the master bedroom. Turned out pretty good. Actually, this room was the most difficult for some reason. Don't know why, but it was the most difficult for this tongue and groove to go in. I just kept having to battle certain areas of the room. But the house is level, the house is square, the house is plumb. But that particular room, for some reason, gave me fits. Well, there's 50 more boards to finish the shiplap. Hopefully that'll do it. Probably still gonna need some more shiplap to finish off the loft areas, but that should definitely take care of the first floor. Also some 2x4s to do some framing up in the loft. She's all strapped in and ready to go. Saturday, May 23rd, it's about 7:23 or thereabouts in the morning. This is what I got done yesterday. This is the master bathroom. So all that's remaining in here is the very top, the top row, and a few pieces on one of the walls. And then I will be finished with that. Of course, the trim work, but I'm talking about wall covering right now. So I'll be finished with that after those few runs. And then all that's remaining after that is the guest bedroom and the one wall in the main room, the great room living area. And then, of course, the lofts. So that's where I'm at now.